What's up YouTube? It's your boy Southside Customs back at it with another video, and today we have the 7th Heaven bag. I really think it's cool, so if you want to know how it's done, stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so to start off, I already have this cross shape pre-done. So what I did is I bought some suede material and then I drew and cut out this cross shape and sewed it back to back and stuffed it with some cotton for that puffy look, and then sewed it on the edges as you could see for that embroidery effect. I then cut out a thick strip of material and hand stitched it on the cross's edge as you could see, so that I could later connect it to the other cross shape to form that bag look. The strip of material I am stitching on the edge of the cross isn't long enough, so I had to cut and stitch them in sections till I finished the whole cross. So this is what you should have after you're done stitching the material all around the cross, so that it could be connected to the other cross for that bag look. I'm now getting ready to stitch the zips to the bag in the back and in the front of the cross bag to allow for some easy access to the pockets. An outline was then stitched to prepare the zip to be connected to the bag. I then cut out that embroidery to make room for the zip, and in the end you should have something that looks like this. It will be a little challenging, but if you are a little resilient and consistent with it, it should come out okay. I then added some zip stoppers to compensate for the rough edges on the zips. You should repeat the steps that were done previously on the first zip so that you could have the similar effect on the front of the cross. You should then connect the previous cross onto the other cross with that thick strip of material we cut out earlier, so that you could then turn inside out and have the finished product.